There's a light, a certain kind of light that never showed on me. I want my life to be, to live with you, to live with you. There's a way, everybody say, to do it to every little thing. But what does it bring if we ain't got you? Ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody. To love somebody. Sissy, Francis Mix. Hi, Sissy. Good evening, Sissy. Kay ate lang yung isa ko. Naka-live din pala, di ko alam. In my brain, I see your face again. I know my frame of mind. You ain't got to be so alive. Thank you, Sissy. Madam, nag-low shout out. Kahit may sipon. No stress. If I ain't got you, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody. To love somebody the way I love you. Nagyayaw muna ko dun sa Atheling Break. Salamat po, Madam Francis. To love somebody the way I love you. You don't know. Boy, mas bay na yung pati na dala ko na. Madam, tatawin ko lang, galing ko dun sa silip ko yung Bulkang Mayon sa Traga Albay. Kanina, kaya lang, wala akong makitang yung mga umubulusok na bato kasi umaka. Tinanaw ko dun sa may kitang-kita talaga yung bulkan. Kaya lang, wala akong makitang umargang bato. Nakanta-pray. Maganda sana manood pag ganitong gabi. Hands be with you. Balik ako ha, may tawag lang. Sige lang, madam, no worries. Mag-ano lang naman si Tres. Magtatakan kahit nanta yung walang hilig. If my love wasn't here with me tonight, I wouldn't leave with you for just a little while. The same way as I love you now, and I'm so I can't be with you tonight. Sisi sa Julian Davao, may galaw ka raw. Thank you, Sisi. So I want to hold you in my arms tonight. Sisi Renzi, Sisi Istay. Lika na Sisi, akit na. I-chat lang sana kita eh. Be right. Try mo na yung V8 mo. Maybe when we met again some other time, 'cause tonight. Tuti pa ako Sisi, yun lang. Bilisan mo, akit ka. Hintayin kita. Di mo pa matimpla? Yun lang. So please understand my situation. Alam mo, Sisi, ang sakit ng lalamunan ko. May ubo pa ako. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Timplahin mo na Sisi yung V8 mo para kanta tayo. Understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with with you. Shout out sa lahat na naandyan. Thank you so much po. Believe me, I would share my love with you.
Hindi 5 plus.
Ayan, shouty-shouty sa lahat ng mga anak. Ayaw ko magpakita kasi malaki yung mukha. Tita na Petch. Yahoo! Tita May! Hello, Tita May. Shouty-shouty. Sisi rin sis. Paos ni Tres? Paos ni Tres, pero gusto lang ni Tres maglibang. Maglibang. Tapos andito ako sa kabila kay Ate Lynn Gray. Gandang gabi, host. Ayan, magandang gabi din po, Tita May. Shouty. Salamat po, Tita May. Tambay lang. Madam, salamat. Akyat ka, Madam. Kanta tayo. Salamat po sa paharang. If I sing you a love song, will you always remember? Paus nga lang si Tres. Will you hear it on lonely nights when I'm not around? If I sing you a love song, will you hear it forever? Sir Christopher William, how much I care and how I needed you. Love song lasts longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Oh, stress. Love song with you at lovers too. Oh baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. Ragoy. I sing you a love song. Let it always be with you. Mag-off ka mas si Tres. Di makabirit. Di makabuka ng ano. Opo. Naupo si Tres. Manay Dels, good evening Manay Dels. Salamat. Last longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing Inubos si Tres, Manay Dels. Love song don't let you like lovers often do. Oh baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. Ugo pa more, kati pa more, naglalamunan. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Agoy-agoy. Makatihis sa lalamunan. Ubon.
Uy, gising na!
Dahil sa chocolate taste ng Cocoa Crunch, magiging masaya ang gising niya. Crunch Cocoa Crunch.
Five Eyes. Thank you. Bakit nang ano ko? Tikmura? Kakaupo kasi. I wanna call the stars down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. Ubo pa mo? Yeah. All the impossible I wanted to. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know I feel beautiful looking at you. And a world of lies, you are the truth. And baby, everything you touch me, I become a hero. I'll let you stay no matter where you are. And baby, everything you do, nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me. Kiss me, Marimar. I wanna make you see just what I want. Show you the loneliness and what it does. You into my life to stop my tears. Everything is easy now. I have you here. I wanna make you see just what I want. Show you the loneliness and what it does. You into my life to stop my tears. Everything is easy now. I have you here. Oh, baby, everything you touch me, I become a hero. Only stay where you are. Si Manay Dels, naririnig yung boses nito. Ang galing kumanta. Galing mo pala, Manay Dels, kumanta, no? Hindi ko na kaya to. Uubuhin na tayo dito. Sisi Jeanette. Andiyan pala si Sisi Jeanette. Tambay. Ayan. Salamat, Sisi. Grabe yung ubo ni Tres. Sumisibol. Don't lose your way with each passing day. You come so far, don't throw it away. Leave your living, dreams are away, babe. There's a way to start. Pinipigilan ko lang talaga yung ubo ko. Akyat ka na ba, Raidel? Iko yung boses mo, ang ganda. Dream see us through to forever. With love, roll back. Umipiyok. And souls in the wind must learn how to bend. Seek out a star, hold on to the end. Falling now then, there is a mountain. Wash our tears all the way. Where clouds roll by for you and I. When we're around there, the past will dream of the sun. In the heart will feel the light, warm our heart, every I know our dreams will never die. See us through to forever. As I spoken night, the clouds roll by, bring you Uy, gusto ko yung harapan. Thank you, Manidel. Wala. Assistant. Yan, ang sakdan Manidel sa iyong upcoming premiere, Family Q. Ang sarap naman yan. Nanood ako dito sa Facebook. Napanood ni Tres. Sisi Jeanette, thank you, Sisi. Ako, Sisi, nakasilip kagabi sa mga live niyo. Pagod kasi kami. Hapon. Natulog ako kaagad kasi grabe yung sipon ko din kasi nasango ko yung uso. Kaya ang pati ng lalamunan ko. Gusto ko lang mag-live. Kahit yung busis para na mapasok sa... Tay, halika na, akit na. Alam mo ba ang quick live? Oo, saglit lang. Pero pabutin kong 3 hours. Halika na, Tay, akit na. Hello, a lasting love. Not a minute. Alam. Behind it. Hello, a lasting love. Hello, a lasting love. Tayo, yung lalamunan ko gamit. Ate. And when I look into your eyes, and you might really stand in love, a long-lasting love. Okay, tatay. I never thought that I'd meet someone so beautiful. I never thought I'd see a love like this. Tonight I'll show you that love is something beautiful. And I seal it with a kiss. Para kang si Jeanette. Sabi, silent lang. Puro yaw siya. Mamaya, Sisi, pag ano yung title mo, Sisi, silent live, tapos nagyayaw-yaw ka, after ng live mo, i-edit mo yung title mo, sabihin mo, yaw-yawan na. Ganun lang yung Sisi. Kasi di ba, Tay, kapag sinabing silent live, tapos nagyayaw-yaw ka, pinapalo. Di ba? Noon, nandun ako kay Ate Ling. Nag-live na ba? Hi, nako. Hindi kita nakita doon kay Ate Ling. Tay. Tonight I'll show you that our love is something beautiful. Gutom na ako. Kain na. And I seal it with a kiss. A long-lasting love. Dream more. And when I look into your eyes, it feels like really sitting love. A long-lasting love. Kain na tayo. Ano yung mo? Dinner mo tayo. Ako kakauwi lang namin nito. Naglakpat siya kami. Pumunta kami doon sa may vulkan. Sa may paanan ng vulkan. Kaya lang, hindi ko naman nakita na may rumaragas ng bato. Yung puno ng vulkan. Yung paanan, maalikabok. Parang may ulap. Sir Anak, Miguelov, shout out. Good evening. Akit ka na, Sir Anak. Samahan mo ko dito sa taas. Kasi yung mga sisi ko, busy-busyhan pa sila. Mamaya pa daw na alas 10 yung off duty. Si Sisi is tayo. Kaya kahit lalamunan ko sobrang kate, pero gusto ko magkanta-kanta. Kulang. Pakala na kayo dyan sa baba. Igong nyo na lang si Tress. Salamat po sa patamsak. Sir Anak, sana all know anak. There are times when a woman has to say what's on her mind, even though she knows how much it's gonna hurt. Before I say another word, let me tell you I love you. Let me hold you close and say these words as gently as I can. There is another man that I needed and I love, but that doesn't mean I love you least. And he knows he can't resist me, and he knows he never will. There's just this empty place inside of me that only he can feel. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool, loving you both, breaking all the rules. Maayong gabi sa tanang lahat. Yeah. Marahay na banggi po sa imo, Sir Anak. Sabi. O sa Bisaya, maayong gabi sa tanang lahat. Sa Bicol, marahay na banggi po sa Indugabos. Ali kay Tres Marias, ang daragang magayon, halis sa probinsya ng Sorsogon. And I thank you. Rado ang aking lalamunan. You can have a party, I guess you stop. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool, loving both of you is breaking on the road. Ang hirap kumanta. Gusto ko kumanta, pero kanta yung ayaw sa akin. Si Janelle, thank you, Steve. Ayan. Nasa huling harang na ako, Manay Dels. Tapos na doon sa yung simpleng bubot salad. Ang haba ng paharap ni Manay Dels. Maatake na naman yung pati ng lalamunan ko. Sakit. Grabe yung buko. Don't leave me on this way. Don't leave me out in the rain. Come back and bring back the smile. Take me away. Bring back this night when I held you beside me. Pray. Say you love me and do this for you. I'm not. Excuse me po. Gusto kong pumirit, kaya lang di kaya ng boses talaga. Uupo muna ako sa labas. Marites talaga si tatay, si tay. Oo nga, sisi. Sabi sisi sa'yo kanina, yung ano mo, yung title mo ata, Silent Life, tapos panayin mo daw yaw-yaw. Sabi ko naman kanina, sabi ko sisi, palitan mo na lang after ng live mo. Palitan mo na lang ng yaw-yawan na. Parang momo talaga. Sir anak, thank you. Salamat. Maligno, ayun. Tay, maligno ka daw, tay.
Match with your favorite side.
Maligno ka daw, tay. Sabi ni Sisi.
Robotunes Karaoke.
Niyayaya ko sana si Sisi Sky, kaya lang mamaya pa daw ang off-duty niya. Wala kasi ako sising live manghapon, kaya live ako ngayon kahit Pati yung lalamunan ng dress. Ayun. There is star in the sky tonight, and it trembles like my heart. In this world, and all alone tonight, so close and yet so far. My heart would never fly. Grabe yung boses ko. Nang babae pa si Kissy. Oo nga eh. Wala pa. Babae. Ano pa? Bukas. Ano ngayon? Saturday pa lang ngayon. Gagabi ata. Live ata yun. Ano yun? Kasi si Escape kagabi. Hindi siya nagtatakanta. Kasi day off niya noon pag Friday. Silip kagabi sisigas na. Pagod ako kasi natawa namin yung extra. Kaya hindi ako sumilip kagabi. Okay lang po, inay. Agoy. Tay. Anak. Sir anak. Siguro ang galing mo kumanta kasi nga yung gamit mo, di ba? Akit na. Kaya na, sir. Samahan mo ako dito sa taas. Kantahan mo, sir, si Dress. Si Inay. Si Inay, anak. In the sky tonight, and it trembles like my heart. Wala stick na. Ang kanta to. Loob mo? Take me by the hand all the way and wake me up.
That's better than the original.
Salamat sa pamidrol dyan, Sir Anak.
RoboTunes Karaoke.
Grabe yung... Oh. Ilang oras na ba ako? Isang oras lang ako, guys. Saan yung bahay mo, sir? Sir Chris, thank you, thank you. I just have to dream. Grabe. Nak. Always play the same. Andito ako, sir, anak, sa bagong upload 2 hours ago. Every more, I would keep the pain inside my heart. It's enough for me that because the thought I have. Sis, igurutang lakwachera. Ayan, yung harang ko, ayaw ako pasukin. Salamat, Sisi. Then I thought myself, I was better to say. If you hurt me, I will take the blame. You are not living more. I love you now. Grabe yung pagpigil ko ng upo. Madam, thank you. Tapusin ko na lang kung matapos ang ayaw mag-isama yung lalamunan. Ang kate. Thank you, madam. Tinatapos ko lang yung oras. Sige, thank you. Hindi
That's
na,
better than the original.
hindi na makakanta sa dress. Kanay na yung kape ng lalamunan. Agoy-agoy. Salamat, Sisi Igorotang Lakwatsera. Salamat. Marami. Thank you to Seven Eyes. Manaan dyan. Salamat po. Sa pagtambay sa live dress. There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you are. You were more than a dream. I could return such a bird. It was long ago. There was something that I guess I never knew. When you love someone, be a farmer's you let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything alright. In my arms, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you. Grabe yung pagpigil ko ng ubo. Akit ka, Kuya Farmer. Loving you. How can I get you to see that I'm falling apart? You've been done. I can never be strong. I can never be love much more. When you love someone, you're gonna let them know. When I dream about you, medyo may ulti stress. Parehas tayo, Kuya Farmers. Okay. Pinilit ko lang mag-live kahit isang oras lang. Si Sisi Iskay kasi mamaya pa yun, yung off-duty niya, alas 6. Just close my eyes, wait for my dream, 'cause I still love with you. Gusto yung ano ngayon, sipon upo. Tapos yung ano, kasi naglalak. Lumala kasi yung nakapag-iisang dahil usok na kupra. Ayan, mas lalo akong sumakit. Inupo ako ng bongga. When I think about you, that's when everything alright. You're in my arms, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, you're never know. Just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I still loving you. Salamat po sa pagkakay, Kuya Farmer. Paano lang tayo dito? Tugla.
Beat verse karaoke.
Ito yung nangyayari kapag may kapag bumubugay yung bulkang Mayon. Lahat ng CP namin emergency alert. Emergency alert. Kaya kapag nagla-live ako, lalo na pag ST, na hindi ko nakikita, ayun, madilim ang aking live kasi hindi naaalis yung emergency alert na pumapasok. Minuto, oras-oras, palaging emergency alert ng MDRRMC tungkol sa bulkang Mayon. Ibig sabihin, bumuga na naman siya.
Minimum spend.
Thank you, Seven Eyes. Salamat po sa pagtambay sa Live ni Express M. Thank you, thank you. Hindi ako makabuhin. Yan. Dan playing na Sir Anak sa Gary Lewis Music. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I've never got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And then I should ever go away. Will lose your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. Grabe. Sisi! Sisi Ilocana. Asan si lalabs mo? Paakitin ko. Ayaw makisama yung ni Tres. Inaubos si Paul. Pag nag-stop ako, kumanta. Uupo ako dyan sa labas. Sir Christopher, thank you. Sisi Ilocana, thank you, Sisi. Sir Anak, Sir Christopher, Madam, thank you. And by the way, I thank you. Then, for the times when we're apart, when I close your eyes and now, these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. Knowing you can always count on me. Sure. Manay G, good evening, or hi na Batki. Di ako makabuhay ng Manay magkanta. Kasi yung boses ni Tres, grabe yung kati ng lalamunan. Oy, pusin ko na to. Tapos na ba si Ate Gray? Lumayas na ako kasi nag-play ako ng mga dito sa aking live. Nakalive ba si Manay Kakuridas? Di pa ako sumilip.
Crunchy seafood sarap!
Welcome to Karaoke 101.
Thank you, Sis Lynette. Sir Ana, thank you, Manay Sing. Sisi Ilocana. Asa na si ano? Sisi KSA. Nasa work pa ba? Ikaw ang nakita. Ano daw? Ang tunay na pagmamahal na di oo, di ko alam. Mute ka lang. Manay lang. Mute ka lang, Manay. Di ko na lang saan ako makikinig. Okay lang yan, Manay Shining. Dati, nag-iisa lang ako. Gusto kong bumirit pero di ko magawa. Diyos mio, man. Pigilan ang kati ng lalamunan. Ano siya ini? Practice ko nga muna ito. Si Diyos kasi ayaw kumanta. Isi-disihitan. Ano kaya yung pinag-inumin ni Tres para maalis ka agad yung kati ng lalamunan, ubo at sipon? Manay Shani, ginawa ko na yung tinuro mo. Hindi pa rin. Kanina, bumili ako ng ano. Okay. Hindi pa rin. Minom na ako ng kakait. Pero makati pa rin. Natitrigger sa lalo. Natitrigger sa lalo. Makata. Sisi Lady, thank you. Kamute ata ito sa Sisi Lady. Makapag-end live na nga. Ipunta ko na lang yung mga bahay-bahay nyo. Yung mga nandito. Teka lang, screenshot ko muna. Sisi Jeanette, mag-live ka na, Sisi. Manay Shining, thank you, Sisi Lady. Sir Anak, salamat. Sir Chris. Sir Christopher, thank you, Sis Jeanette. Madam Cascade, thank you. Kuya Farmers, salamat. Grabe yung magpigil ko talaga sa akin. Ano? Upo. Sino pa ba yung kanina?
Thank you for
Yung
watching. Wala bang subscribe dyan?
It's me. Siguro na kayo. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat bago ako mag gustuhan ko muna yun. Ikurutan. Ikurutan pa. Pera. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye po. Mana Shining. Salamat. Salamat sa Night Eyes. Ayan. Thank you. Bye-bye.